I'm going to explain how a Mentos and soda explosion is like a mini volcano because it builds up and pushes liquid out fast. A Mentos and soda explosion is similar to a volcano eruption because both involve gas and pressure. In a soda bottle, carbon dioxide is trapped inside the liquid. When Mentos are dropped in, the gas escapes quickly and pushes the soda out of the bottle. In a volcano, hot melted rock called magma has gas trapped inside it. When the pressure builds up, the gas pushes the magma out of the volcano. Both explosions happen because gas builds up and then escapes very fast. The materials I've been using are Mentos, different sizes of soda, and an index card. The first step is to cut the index card and curl it up to make a funnel. The second step is to put the funnel on the mouth of the soda bottle. The third step is to put your soda bottle somewhere that has a flat surface. The fourth step is to put your Mentos at the same time. Then step back and watch it explode. This is how you make a soda explosion. The ingredients are soda and Mentos. Be careful when you're doing this so you don't get this in your eyes. Now I'm going to see what happens when I put the Mentos in the flavored soda. Now I'm going to put Mentos in a 3-liter soda. Let's see how big the explosion is. This is how you make a soda explosion. It's with Mentos and Coke. Where you put them together, the gas comes out crazy. They put it in? Yeah. Soda explosion. Put it in. So explosion. Put it in. Yeah. Drop it. That's what happens when you put Mentos in your soda. Say